Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing the phone so the change goes smoothly. Confirm which app and your OS are updated and make a fresh local or cloud backup now. Open a file manager and grant it read/write permissions and insert or mount the SD card if you plan to use external storage. Once done, locate WhatsApp's local backup folder, usually /WhatsApp/databases. Make sure to note file names and timestamps so you can verify the correct files later. Next, you perform the actual transfer. Using the file manager, copy the database's folder to the chosen target, an SD card or a new internal folder, then verify file sizes and timestamps. If your device supports symbolic links and you know how, create a link from the original WhatsApp path to the new location. This convinces WhatsApp the files are still in place. If not, keep the original copy until you confirm restore success. Make sure permissions carry over so WhatsApp can read those files. Finally, you trigger WhatsApp to use the moved backup and confirm everything works. Uninstall WhatsApp, reinstall it, and during setup allow all requested permissions so local backups are visible. When prompted, choose Restore. Once completed, check chats and media for completeness. If messages are missing or restore fails, reinstall and restore from the original copy you retained or check file ownership and permissions. One key tip: if permissions block access, grant storage permission or try a different file manager.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.